Yes, we do live, I swear. What I do with Facebook? Good morning, dog. What go on? All this chop is all this sit all the thing. You know it go. Hello, people. Voila. Why? Yo, you know why I have to do that topic a long time if you do that topic, yeah, hombre. You see me, hombre? You see that topic, yeah? Me feel like say me need to do it, you know, hombre. Because you see, you know, I feel like say something wrong with you know. You understand me, I did? Me, yo, you know, for understand, say, me go around, all the time, I know me post the thing, them. Me go around and me read the whole of the comment, them. Boy, like, blood clot, the girl sick, me stomach, you know. She still there. She, with a lesbian girl and she hate the lesbian girl and never have nothing good to say about the lesbian girl. Hey, me telling her, go suck out on her mother. The whole of her just hate me to me freely telling her if you go suck out back on her mama. Pussy member say you don't like me, dog. You understand? You don't like Batman, you don't like Sodomite. All if me never broke your place yet. All if me never kill nobody for you. Me never fuck none of your daughter them. Me never fuck none of your cousin them. All until you never buck me up a day in your blood clot life you hate me. Just because me freely fuck another woman. You understand me? Who not gonna hate me just because me feel to suck pussy rather than suck cocky? Who not gonna hate me just because me feel like say a woman bring me more joy than a brother. You understand me? So here was suck your mother. You hate me. Who sodomite and Batman for dead? You for dead to dog. Go suck out your mother, my friend. Me not gonna ever have nothing good to say about you. No pussy hole you not gonna ever like me. Me not gonna ever blood clot like you neither, my friend. You understand? Me not do this to likes or blood clot views, my friend. As I'm telling you from one long time, none of them views in a bumbo clot pay me, daddy. You see me I deal with? Say it's like how no diss me because me I want sodomite and me I want this. Go suck out to no mother dog. I want to know my friend. Me not go respect no blood clot Rasta no Christian no Muslim no this. No blood clot religion them because me I know none of the believer them in and not one. Stop bringing no blood clot Bible or no Quran or no blood clot Rasta book or no blood clot Selassie book can lick me. Because me no blood clot come over this and now you never see me a boy later blood clot and now you never pass me in a church. You never see me a give blood clot offering now you a bumbo clot or you never see me a do none of blood clot that. Say next time you want to fling your Bible or the Quran or the blood clot Rasta book or the whatever blood clot book them want next human, right? You go fling it and lick your mama. You see me I deal with? No for una blood clot about the Bible and then country gonna think in blood clot self about it. Drunk all I know. Some of you believe in this in the Bible, some of you don't believe in that in the Bible. Some of you believe in the Bible but you don't believe in a offering. Some of you be go suck on a mama, brother. Remember so you don't like me, you know. Remember say me afraid you can't tell you if you suck out to the mama because no rate me, no rate to the bumbo clot neither. What the fuck do no want blood clot hate people and people have a hate on the back. Bumbo clot my hate flow like the river. Bumbo clot yeah you hate pussy clot me hate you too. Go suck out your mama my friend. You Selassie I the whole of blood clot them. Me I live like a regular blood clot human being that's a blow my friend. None of the book them on now no dirty thinking human friend they right me don't want to hear them. Me know why you're not one of the dirty human, they're right. King James is a blood clot human being a flesh and bone he have. No, you can't tell me bumbo clot nothing. Even if you say me I got blood clot, they'd allow me to die in peace. Moving a bumbo clot. Me telling you, I'm afraid of hell. How the fuck me afraid of hell? And I say me come from Portmore. Heat is blood clot coming like the usual thing for me, my friend. Stop bumbo clot, come tell me about what the consequence them. I don't give a fuck about consequence, dog. The next time when you come and come pure on a bumbo clot wally pa sitting them on off the talk. Ask if nobody business first. No, me no bumbo clot care. So when they talk out of your stinking front brakes, my friend, you just talk out of your thinking breath for only for you, my friend. You believe in a that. You believe in a that. You believe in a that. Always remember say pussy hole. Stop going like when I get up sheep, when I blood clot shepherd. Una bumbucklad shepherd. Una listen to some of my sheep, then I want to come. Lord, the bumbucklad sheep, them dog. And some fight against the blood clad sheep, them low with my friend. We know why you're not about to no book them on alright. We're good. Make we suck pussy and they sit there in peace. Go and go talk to who want turn Christian and who want turn Selassie. Go and go talk to them people, the dog. You know who wanna forget talk to people who bumbuckler care about the same thing them wanna care about. When the bumbuckler to now walk up and down with it and thinking more to the white population. Talk to who care. No, God not give a message to me. No, pussy well, God not give a message for give blood clot me. Look at me good. Hello? No message for me. Keep your bumbuckler message for yourself. If you dream that, keep your dream to yourself. If you read that, keep your knowledge to your blood clot self. You're a teacher. Somebody never got America teacher college, but you know what, come around and teach people things. When the bumbuckler to not try to teach, no, me don't want to learn. Me good, me stay a blood clot do you means me good. You want to see, couldn't well if a bumbuckler Christianity this, who the Selassie that, who the this your book did say that, and member said a book they did say that, and member the book, bumbuckler do no. Me not asking about in the book, dog. Dog, big man thing, look here. Between you, me, and all over there. So me not asking about in the blood clot book, dad. You know, say, well, we are dead whether we believe in a Christ, Lucifer, bumbuckler, Judaism. Well, we are dead, same blood clot way. Some of me dead, how me want dead? What the fuck your business how me want dead for? What the bumbuckler do to that? Me the business how if you want dead and got hell, dead and got heaven. You still a dead it name, brother. None of dead, then no good. Not one of the dead, then no good. Whether you're dead in Christ or you're dead in Satan. None of dead, then no good. Watch out. But you now wait for blood clot, milk and honey and pearly gate for walk through. Bumbuckler wait. Bumbuckler wait. Wait for that. Me now wait for that. Me wait for sitting there. Slow me make me wait for what me wait for. Me bumbuckler kuya. Dog me so no believe in I wanna believe in and that's fine. All slave you know. Pussy well members with the slave master they used to beat to the and say, yo, Jesus help me. And them beat blood clot Jesus in a and God and the whole of them. How you really know so now serve the right book? The amount of book the boy you talk about religion, how you know so now read the right one? How the blood clot know how now read the right one? Because the Muslims they have a different book, you know. The Quran and the whole of them, you know, you have blood clot them, you know. How you know you read the right one? Every day you get up a force sit down upon people. How you know how to read the right book? Don't lick more than the book that keep on the book, brother. Every day you get up on the tongue, preach up on the blood clot, internet. Yo, wanna know said this is wrong, I'm gonna can't see. Bumbuckler to this day, nobody never see God face yet. To this blood clot day, not one of you see God face or ever see it. Nobody ever dream on and tell us they know how God look. So it in my blood clot perspective, no, we not see blood clot God face, so we don't know what they beating for. You want to come like someone a fucking idiot or something, boy here. Look at you now. Every day when you get up on a priest boy, Selassie, I say, members of Selassie, I say, when I done this blood clot people, them never buck up on Rasta. It dirty nasty dread them. It dread them, it thinking frozen dread them, we say, they know we are Roland just because Babylon make it, the frozen Rasta them. Members of Selassie, I tell you, so when I done this blood clot set. And that's why I'm give Jamaica the pussy clot money for make Haile Selassie. One school for teach on a dance bumbo clot. Remember say Selassie I say, who no, him man who say who not praise. I want to praise the man. And so till all Babylon kill him. Who remember? And who no kill Selassie I know. Who no say him man a God. Or Jesus. Because who no see the whole them in a hand miggle. Who no dance people whenever who want a book. Selassie make sure so they get a school for teach on a bumbo clot. Because it's a dunce. Who the fresh food bumbo whole idiot? We get up every day about chunks and bumbo clad bean. And about bumbo clad callaloo and bumbo clad this and bumbo clad that. Remember say no malice salt. Selassie never tell you nothing malice salt. Uno malice salt off our own dunce blood clot self, you know. Selassie I say, him never tell you if he have no kind of beef with salt. Uno get up and create this big envy and malice with salt and salt never do nothing. And the man say, alright, see money when me that come down here if you can take fix up the island. The man couldn't bother fix up the island, the man did have to take it and go if he got bumbo clot school. Cause uno so fucking dunce. The man say all our no beliefs them on no bumbo clot beliefs in our dunce people beliefs them my friend, my Rasta Molly friend them. Me Molly Rasta friend them. We do no whole heap of blood clot flag them. What that flag they signify? I will not alone me see with it. You see me I deal with? What the blood clot you now do? Why you get up a force down on the dunceness pan people? Me the action if you draw me now on the pussy clot cult. Rasta is a cult, you know. For no Rastafarianism is a fucking cult. How what they start if you put it in a religious education down at Jamaica, because Jamaica alone down a religious education teach about Rastafarianism. No else in the whole world they recognize it. Because the Yankee they wear blood clot dread them and they nasty and dirty, they don't believe in a nothing while no blood clot believe in a dirty Ras. Who the dirty Ras when our Jamaica Ras them we see a foreign? All them do is stank on the ear. Because them a name pussy same way. And a name out all girl batty hole. With the same Rasta here. So now no cult. Fuck off with give my friend. You see me? Me tired. I don't know why me come here so me a deal with them my friend. You see me? Stop force down on the bumbuckler cult on the religion them pan people. And I can go like the end of the world I come because I see a next man I do something what I don't believe in. I go suck on a mother dog. No for no blood clot cause of them a murderer. No for no me sit down and defend murderer. Say yo yeah. Me have my murderer friend them I don't know say them a kill Jamaica population but I don't friend them there. That is a sin too. So I don't go on so with them the sinner there. I don't like them the sinner there. And there's some sinner on. So that means I don't bumbuckler confusing on religious behavior dog. I don't keep on religious act them to no bumbuckler self daddy. You see me I deal with me no believe in nothing I don't believe in. Stop forcing down for me dog. Make me dead and go hell in peace. Make me bumbuckler dead and go hell in peace. When the blood clot and get up every day I remind me so we are go hell for. Majority we know. And some of you know I talk with soon right there. You know hurry up and make the whole we go hell in peace, my friend. How what the bumbuckler do you? You don't think I'm the one who sit down there? You know fuck. All of the blood clot to claim to sound and live right and righteous in a God name. You know fuck. I mean on the bumbuckler I'll shake and go down with that blood clot. Me on the bumbuckler foot to foot, hand to hand, head to blood clot and I go straight down there. Yeah man, head count, Prettii. You. The rest of them. All on the blood clot. Coming right there. Because the whole of the love hand down blood clot sentence, brother, I keep on a book them to yourself. Me not believe in a Selassie, me not believe in a Rasta, me not believe in none of that. Go suck on a mother. Me don't want to hear about none of that, dog. Everybody I got dead. Me know me I got dead. Me not care what me go after me dead. Me just I live good right now. Me I live good right now. And just I make my life happy right now. When me dead, that speak feet blood clot self. You hear that? Me don't want to hear when me a go. Me kind of surmise more or less where me might end up. So what the fuck doing a kid? You not pressure on yourself with this thing like it's a big fucking deal. Hell, heaven. Come on, nigga. Right now I heard that. Fuck. How worse can it be down a hell there? I want to tell my friend me in a fireside every day eat out the glare nice here. What the fuck? I want to tell you that. Me don't want to hear none of the preacher them way underneath yes so we are preach right now. Me don't give a fuck about none of you. You don't go preach to no mama or no papa or no Christian uncle them or no Rasta father them go suck them out and no come preach to bumbuckler me my friend. That's why me don't go to church door. You see me I did? Don't preach to blood clot me. Fuck them, I care how me a blood clot go. You know, see, me as long as me happy right now, fuck them. Me if you live in a misery to please you, me I live life and be happy. That's it. I don't give a fuck what me I go after. About life after death. Who ever see a come back about life after blood clot death? Which dead somebody you never see come back and tell you about how over dead feel there? They ever say, oh, over dead you're nice, you know. Why ever all I claim to say life the day after death, but the whole I afraid for dead? Say if on a blood clot afraid for dead. Whoa now hurry up and dead and go on over there. Go on over there. The whole I say when you're dead and now go to God. Go kill on yourself. And go on to God. Hurry up dead. And go on over there to God. Go on. Fucking all asshole you. Go on. When you get up every day, you know one bag of preacher there. We go out a preacher. A preacher on a ton. On a blood clot preacher. Fuck don't that. Hurry up and dead and go on over there. Go on in the elevator to heaven. Go on in the blood clot elevator to heaven. Make the blood clot heavens open up and then that big bright light there go blind you. Stop watch TV. Stop watch TV, dog. When you're dead, you're dead. That's it. There's nothing after that. When you're dead, your blood clot dead. So you go on. You go on blood clots there about life after death. Go on over there for the milk and the honey and the elevator and the big wide gate where I go up, man. The man with the big beard and the, you know. Go on for him. At that your blood clot run down. Keep on the Selassie here, on the sitting them to yourself and make sure that you no go there. Me tell you some want come. Me no want come. Well, me I make it clear. I do not want to come with you, dog. So, like how me talk that now, you can shut up now. Right? You listen. See, Uno want to go? I don't. You understand me? So I can make it clear again. Uno want to go to the pearly gate to the elevator to heaven, and I don't. Me do not like elevator. So Uno go on. Me good. Me take the stairs. You see me? I will take the fucking stairs. So stop preach to me now. Get it? Yeah. I love you guys. My top fans, good day. I love you guys so much. Remember, say I don't make you out the top badge one day. When you stop beat me now. You see, I Facebook you out the top badge them. So you see what the top badge them drop at Facebook. Because you know watch and you like and you comment. And that's why they go on the top badge them. And when they take them, it's not me. Me a boss by your Facebook today. I'm tired for my bomber fans in my costume. A Facebook do it. I love you now. Kim, no say I won't go to boom. You know what? Go already. Jesus, me just have to set the record straight that I don't know why they want me to, you know? Stop fucking indoctrinate me about the fucking shit. Me glad for the beliefs them. Keep on the beliefs them to yourself. Get it? Get it? Okay. Okay.